I think she's lost her mind. That doesn't seem normal. That doesn't seem normal at all.
Whatever, it's just water.
I think she's crazy.
She's not. She's so mean.
I hope she isn't crazy.
She's not crazy. She's playing. She's just a puppy. Oh, you almost got it.
This is so going on YouTube.
I've never seen a dog chase water before.
Just for all those watching,
Just
that
leave it
is
on
a
and see what she
hose.
does. Leave it on and see what she does.
She doesn't want her to go.